Let me ask you something. Have you ever checked your bank balance and thought, where did my money go? You didn't buy anything big. You didn't take a vacation. You didn't make any major purchase. And yet, it's gone. It feels frustrating. It feels confusing. And you start wondering, why can't I save like other people? Here's the truth. Most people don't lose money in big ways. They lose it through small, daily habits, little expenses that quietly add up over time. In this video, I'll show you exactly where your money is leaking and how you can stop it. Welcome to Smart Money Insights Lab. Here, we help you make smarter and calmer decisions with your money. We simplify saving, investing, budgeting, debt, and long-term wealth. No hype, no jargon. If you want money advice you can actually use, make sure you're subscribed. Today, spending money is easier than ever. You don't need cash, you don't need to think, you just tap, click, or swipe. Apps send offers. Stores create urgency. Websites show limited time deals. Everything is designed to make you spend fast. And because it feels so easy, it doesn't feel real. You don't feel the money leaving. So you spend more than you realize. That's why saving feels hard for so many people. Let's start with subscriptions, streaming services, apps, gym memberships, online tools. Most people forget what they're paying for. $10 here, $15 there. It doesn't feel like much, but over a year, it becomes a lot. So every few months, just sit down for 10 minutes and check. If you haven't used something in weeks, cancel it. Keep only what you actually enjoy and use. Food is another big one. Coffee, delivery, fast food, takeout. Once in a while is fine, but when it becomes a habit, it hurts your budget. Try cooking more at home. Plan simple meals. Keep takeout for special days. You'll save money and probably feel better too. We've all done this. You see something online, it looks good, it's on sale, and you buy it without thinking. Later, you regret it. A simple trick is to wait one day. If you still want it tomorrow, fine. Most of the time, you won't. Many people pay extra just for a logo. Same quality, higher price. Before buying, take a few minutes to compare. Read reviews, look for alternatives. You'll often find better deals. ATM fees, late fees, credit card interest. These slowly drain your money. Try to use low-fee accounts, pay bills on time, clear credit card balances whenever you can. Don't give banks extra money for no reason. Now let's talk about lifestyle inflation. This happens when you start earning more and immediately start spending more. New phone, better car, more shopping, and somehow you're still broke. When your income increases, try saving first, then enjoy the rest. Many people buy expensive things when they're excited or stressed. Phones, gadgets, furniture. Before buying something big, slow down. Research it, compare prices, think about it for a few days. Good decisions need time. Some people spend money on entertainment, but avoid spending on learning. Books, courses, skills, health. These things help you earn more in the future. They're worth it. It's only $5. It's just $10. Saying this often becomes expensive. Start paying attention to where your money goes. Just being aware changes how you spend. Here's something simple you can follow. Track spending for 1 month. Cancel what you don't need. Set weekly limits. Save automatically. Review every month. Nothing complicated, just consistent. Saving money isn't about suffering. It's about choosing what matters. Spend on things you love. Cut things you don't. That's smart money. Today, do 3 things. Check your subscriptions, review last month's spending, set one savings goal. Start small, stay consistent. Wasting money isn't about being bad with finances. It's about habits. Change your habits, and your money will change. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Smart Money Insights Lab, and comment below. What's one thing you'll stop wasting money on? I'll see you in the next video.